Hello children, this lesson is an EVS lesson for first standard. Now because of COVID-19, there's no school, so you are staying at home with your family, your parents, your brothers, sisters, your grandparents, and in case you have uncles and aunties at home, so you are at home. Now this lesson deals with my family. We're going to talk about your family. Now come to the textbook, open it on page 166. The first task tells you draw or paste a picture of your family. So the best thing that could be done is, if drawing is difficult, take a small family photo of your family and stick it in the textbook. Now write about your family. Now parents, this is a word for you all. Please help your child to complete this task that is given on page 166. My father's name is. Write your father's name. My mother's name is. Write your mother's name. I have one brothers, two brothers, three brothers, whatever it is. I have sisters, one or two or three, whatever it is. Is that okay? So this is just an introduction about your family, saying your father's name, your mother's name, how many brothers you have and how many sisters you have. Now let's move on to the next page, page 167. Now here the first one is a small family. You can see a picture of a father, a mother and two children. So that is a small family. See that under the heading, small family. Atul lives with his father, mother and his little sister Pooja. They are a small family. So how many members? Father, mother, Atul and his sister. So this family has only 4 members and so it's called a small family. Now many of you all will be having only 4 people in your house. Your father, mother, yourself and your brother or sister. Now some people will be having grandparents and uncles and aunties. So that becomes a large family and they may be having 3 brothers and 2 sisters or 2 sisters and 4 brothers, many brothers and sisters. So it becomes a large family. Now let's go to the topic again, small family. Atul lives with his father, mother and his little sister Pooja. They are a small family. No more, a small family is also called a nuclear family. In today's world, a small family is called a nuclear family. And you see all these nuclear families, they live in apartments or flats. You see in your highlight, you have many flats. You can see even near Mankav, there are flats. You can see the flats coming up near the school. So all these small families where there are only 4 members or 5, not more than 5, they all live in apartments or flats. And where if you have a big family also, they live in bigger apartments. But usually big families are living in separate houses or independent individual houses. Now coming to a large family, you see the picture there, a father, mother and 2 boys and 2 girls. So there are 4 children there and plus a father and a mother, 6 people. Now when it is coming to 6 people, it is known as a large family. Let's look at the text under the heading, large family. Hema lives with her parents, sister and 2 brothers. So Hema, her sister, her 2 brothers, her father, her mother. So how many people? 6 people. So then it is called a large family. Hema's family is a large family. So how many members you have in Hema's family? You have Hema, her sister, her 2 brothers, her father and her mother. So there are 6 people in Hema's family. Is that clear to all of you? Now let's go to a next type of family that is called a joint family. Now joint means, something that is all together, all joined together. So this family means you have your father, your mother, your brothers, sisters, your grandparents. Now it could be your mother's mother and father, or it could be your father's father and mother, or it could be both the grandparents from both the sides in one house. But there are more members you have, from grandparents to your parents, yourselves, your brothers, sisters, and even your uncles and aunts. So that is known as a joint family where everyone lives together. So let's look at the textbook on page 167. Anush lives with his grandparents, parents, sister, uncle, aunt, and 2 cousins. Anush's family is a joint family. Every person in a family is known as a family member. Now, even if you take a small family or a big family or a joint family, each member in the family is known as a family member. So now I hope you understood the difference between a small family, a large family, and a joint family. Small family is a very compact nuclear family with just maybe 4 members, not more than that. A large family has more than 4 members, and a joint family is one where you live with your grandparents, your uncles, aunts, and your cousins. Let me stop here today, and your homework will be given to you soon.